I hope you all are good, doing well. So today we are here with another theme, and the theme of today I picked it from Indian Express newspaper, and the theme for today is Indian Meteorological Department. Why I choose this theme? Because recently IMD has completed 150th year of its establishment. So this lecture is prepared by me. My name is Shama. Time and again, like I always emphasize, you have to look after, or whatever you're reading or your fodder, you have to connect it with the syllabus or PYQ theme. So why I picked this theme? Because in the year 2023 and before that, we have seen that UPSC and PCS examination, they have asked a question from this kind of a theme or this kind of a celebration. So in the year 2023, I remember there was a one organization of UN, and that has completed 75th year of its establishment, and the question was asked from the same organization from their main website. So this is the reason I picked this theme, and like there is a high possibility, like nobody can predict the question of examination, but there is a probability that there is a possibility the question can be asked from this theme also. So this was the article which was there in the Indian Express newspaper of today, and the article beautifully explained the journey of IMD, how from its very beginning till today it has evolved itself, not only in terms of the accuracy, but it has also developed as an organization and helped in the development of India in terms of predicting the weather, in terms of having a kind of providing information to the local level. And here this article also explain another important theme, that is what are the vision of IMD and the vision they have prepared in order to achieve till the year 2047. So why I am emphasizing this 2047? Because we have seen the question has been asked in the year, I think in UPPCS or some PCS examination, or even in UPSC I could remember, the question was asked, when is the deadline we have decided in order to manage or tackle TB, that is tuberculosis. So this kind of a question has been asked time and again. So this is the reason I'm emphasizing on the year of 2047, the year which was decided by IMD in order to improve their skill, in order to improve or evolve as an organization in a much better manner. So this was the logo which was introduced while celebrating 150th anniversary of IMD. Why I'm showing you this logo? Because in the PCS examination, I think UPPCS, when we were celebrating, the question has been asked from logo itself. What was the question? I remember it was related to G20 summit. We have like India has hosted G20 summit, and the question was asked, there was a one symbol that was the symbol of lotus, and it has 7 petals, and all the petals had different colors. So the question was asked, this 7 petal represent what? That 7 petal was representing the 7 continent of the world. So here what I am saying, you just have a look after the color has been used, and not more than that. You just have to look at the picture. So here we are going to complete IMD. I will give you some factual information, and another point which I would love to explain here, like you can use this topic especially with your prelims, and if in terms of mains you might have been like, there's a possibility of question in GS paper 1, and they can ask the role of IMD, and in order to tackle the hazards, or in order to tackle the kind of a tsunami, or in order to tackle earthquake, in order to tackle tropical cyclone. So there is a possibility this kind of a question can be asked. So here I have given the factual information which might help you in your prelims examination. So you can remember, at least rough idea you should have, that IMD was established in the year 1875. That means it was not established after our independence, rather it was established way back before our independence. That is, before independence IMD got established 1875. So here we can see and we can look after that it is the National Meteorological Service of the country and principal government organization. So we can just remember the establishment date. Apart from that, for prelims perspective, what you can recall that it comes under the Ministry of Earth Science. So time and again we have seen this kind of a question, which organization come under which ministry. So you have to remember here that IMD, which got established in the year 1875, is under the Ministry of Earth Science. Another important or factual information which you can remember, that is its headquarters in New Delhi. Apart from that, you can remember it has a 6 regional specialized meteorological center also, and that is in the regional in that is established at the regional level. Here we can again see there is a certain mandate of IMD, which you can just remember what are the mandate, that is observation. So taking meteorological observation, forecasting. So what it forecast is to forecast the weather and related information, warning in order to provide, like if there is a certain cyclonic activity or there is a development of cyclone in the Bay of Bengal region or Arabian Sea region. So IMD play a very important role in order to provide the accurate and early warning to tackle this kind of a hazard. Next we can see here statistics that IMD provide, and apart from that it also engage in itself into the research program also. Next we can see the vision, like what is the vision and mission. So vision I already explained that in while celebrating 150th year of IMD, we have like came forward with vision in order to to achieve it by the year 2047. So what is the vision? To become a world leader in weather and climate surveys. The next we can see mission. What are the mission? In order, like what the IMD will do, they will deliver reliable and timely weather forecast. Apart from that, issue early warning for extreme weather event, sustainable development through accurate climate data. So next what we are going to see, this was the vision document which has been explained in the Indian Express. So here I just try to extract certain few point, and I request you in terms of mains you can remember this data. So like the vision document and the aim of the year 2025, what is the objective of this vision? To make India climate smart and weather ready by the year 2047. And next we can see like they want to what? They want to increase or upgrade the capability of IMD in next 22 years. Forecast accuracy goal, what are the goal of them? That is zero error block forecast. So what we have seen, they are providing information at a regional level, district level. Now they want to even at a block level, and now they want there should not be even a 1% of a error in order to forecast. Apart from that, accuracy target for the extended forecast. So you can see the like weekly forecast 80% accuracy is what they have decided. 5-day advance forecast 90% accuracy they have decided. So these are the aim. You need not to remember each and every point, but you have to remember the that sub part, that forecast accuracy goal under which they have decided zero error block level forecast. Another point you can remember, accuracy target for extended forecast, that is they want to increase their accuracy. Next we can see enhanced monitoring and warning. So here their goal is to eliminate human fatalities from severe weather event within 20 years. Apart from that, resolution for like their current resolution is 12 kilometer. Target resolution they have decided that is to be 5 to 6 kilometer only. Apart from that, they want to improve their weather model resolution. So the next theme, what are the major initiative that has been taken by IMD, and this could be possible question in your mains, and there is a possibility this scheme or this initiative can be asked in your prelims also. So what are this initiative? Just look after the name and read a bit of detail of it. National Monsoon Mission, that was launched in the year 2012, and what is its vision? To develop a state-of-art dynamical prediction system for the monsoon rainfall. So what we can see here, that India falls under the monsoon climate region, and monsoon is something, prediction of monsoon is always been a tough task. So in order to predict it, we have one mission, that is National Monsoon Mission. Next we can see another like initiative, that is Mausam app, and what they will do, like you can see the name of the app is Mausam, so that is related to weather information and warning. Next, Doppler weather radar. Here you can see the radar is designed to improve the long range weather forecasting and surveillance. So these are three initiative of IMD which I request you to remember. There is a possibility, not directly but indirectly, there is a chance of a question in your prelims as well as in a mains examination. Here we can see the function of IMD. The name itself explain a lot about it function it can do, that is weather forecasting and warning, cyclone detection and monitoring. Then we can see seismology and earthquake data. They provide climate and atmospheric research. Apart from that, we can see another thing, like they also help in order to predict the weather, and that also indirectly or indirectly help to the farmer also. And there is, I think, one more information which I have missed, and that is the Regional Specialized Meteorological Center, that is RSMC. That is Regional Specialized Meteorological Center of Tropical Cyclone, that is in New Delhi. It is responsible for the naming of cyclone in the northern Indian Ocean region. So the mains question has been asked already, not in terms of India but in terms of a world, who which agency is responsible or how the naming of a cyclone is done. So here for the prelims perspective, you could recall that it is RSMC, that is Regional Specialized Meteorological Center, that is established, or that is its presence is in New Delhi, and they are the responsible in order to naming the cyclone. Next, here we have seen this project. Then apart from that, their mission you can see here: tsunami early warning, cyclone warning system, national monsoon mission. We have already decided monsoon mission is that. So next, what we are going to see, key function we have seen already. This we have seen. What are the challenges? Why we see the accuracy of IMD sometimes is being questions? Because we can see the rapid climate change that is happening worldwide. It is not only happening in India, it is a worldwide issue. And because of this rapid climate change, there occur a problem in order to provide 100% accuracy in the report of IMD. Next, we can see they need a kind of a modernization of equipment. Apart from that, they have to disseminate their information to the remote region, like what we have seen in regional language. Like you can add here also, the use of regional language is needed in order to disseminate the information to the block level or to the local level. Apart from that, we can challenges here we are seeing, they don't use this kind of we are seeing that providing or creating awareness at the local level is some kind of a hurdle in order to providing information to the local level, that is faced by the IMD. Next, we can see limited weather models. They are having data interpretation. Sometimes it is difficult to analyze. Localized extreme weather event. It is not like we can see the whole India has experience, and different region of India experience different kind of a weather events. Like we can see we are having, be it if I talk about in the, we are having cold desert till hot desert. So the kind of a weather and the kind of a geographical extension or the kind of a environment, or I could say the local weather condition is every local area has a different kind of a weather events, and it is really hard for IMD in order to tackle each and everything at a very ground level. Tropical climate, I already explained that it is very unpredictable. It is difficult to predict the weather accuracy, so it makes a challenge, it become a challenge for the IMD. Human resource and training, yeah, that's always we always see, in order to write your mains answer, this is something which you can use whenever you are writing a challenge, like how human resource and training always been a kind of a backlog in our organization. So here are the way forward, what is needed. Like obviously the challenge which we are seeing, I explained last time also in another video, we have to look like we have to provide it as a solution. So extend data collection, global collaboration we can do in order to improve our data. Like we can share our data technology and from with the other country. Predictive analytical and use of AI can be done here. Early warning system, capacity building is what we can enhance. Apart from that, I explain use of regional language we can do in order to tackle or disseminate the information to the local level. So this is how we can write you write, or we can think of way forward in order to while writing your answer. So I hope that's all for today, and thank you. Tomorrow we will, I think I decided to complete another thing. Like we are going to I am going to pick one word. Like we are recently we have seen this kind of a question is being asked in our UPSC examination, and they ask one question and they ask what is this related, be it from the economics, environment and geographical term. So like I'm going to explain, or I'm going to use that word and explain in a 2 minute 3 minute of series. So soon I'm hoping to start that. I hope I have enriched in certain way your knowledge. So that's all from my side, and I'm still learning, so I request you all to have a patience a bit with me, because I know certain time I just forget, because like for the first time I'm being on the camera and speaking in this way. So I'm very thankful that you all show your patience, and that's all from my side. Hope to see you soon. Till then, take care. Thank you.